guys, I'm back, and today I have my pet hamster out. His name is Spice. You go, cutie, is up, stuff. And if you're probably wondering, well, I just did a YouTube video, and yeah, and I just made my account, so please subscribe to me. And this is him. If you're wondering why I paint my fingers, I did another video. Spice. And this is him. I'm kind of zoom in for you guys. Yeah. Technically, I don't know how to zoom in yet. This is him. It's okay. He's very concerned, like, what am I doing here, people? What are you doing? So, and you're probably wondering, does he bite? Of course he does. Every animal bites. Sometimes he likes Fandango. You're probably wondering, why does he do that? Because, like, sometimes he likes to play stuff, so I'm going to put him on my lap. Because he has sharp claws. And I got him, like, 5 days from his birthday. So, yeah. Because he has sharp claws, I want to show you guys. And no, he does not get hurt if I do this. See? I don't know if you guys can really see it. Spice, if this man be still, you can probably see it. Okay, Spice. Spice, show him. Show him your paws. Man, he is old. You're probably wondering why it's so light here, because it's very dark. Ah! He bites a lot. I'm going to drop him. I'm going to drop him. Oh, you died. Hey. Sometimes I actually like nurse him like this. Go on. And he's so concerned, like, what the heck are you doing? I'm not, baby. Sometimes I gotta teach you like what. And you guys are kind of getting out of focus. See if it can focus for like at least about 10 minutes. Okay, you guys are focusing. Spice, say yay. Go. I don't know what he just said. Do you know what he just said? He doesn't. Okay. So I'm gonna put you guys on. Ah! Cover up the camera. Spice, hold on. He literally hold on. I said hold on. Watch this. He's going along. Wait, you guys can't see. How do you see if I do this? He won't even care. And then this is what he does. Wait. So then he likes to climb up me, which I don't mind, honestly, if he doesn't bite. I just let him climb and climb. Probably wondering, why does he climb on you? See, he likes, it's like, well, I really don't know. They didn't tell me. Like, I got this 5 days for my birthday. But I don't think before my birthday. Spice. Yeah, he's scared to fall sometimes. Ah! He fell. He actually fell. And here he is. And it's okay. He doesn't mind if I hold him like that. And sometimes, like, like that, I just, yeah. And there he goes, going up my arm and having me turn my wrist. And I just swoop him in. Sometimes he really be your fault. And then watch this. Ah! What is this crab? Why does that? Oh, Spice, don't go in there. I almost lost him. And yeah, this is what he looks like. And he has a paring on his back. See? Wait. See a pattering. And I just, hold on, Spice. And then I'm going to get a new one. Another one. And then that one's going to be sugar. Sugar and spice. Everything nice. He's a freak. And if you guys don't really... My jacket's getting in the way. Let's see if we can do something. Oh, help us drop space. I'm going to put you guys somewhere else. Alright, I put you guys by my shoes, apparently. This is Spice hanging on. Spice, hold on. Yeah. I dropped them. This is him. I think you guys have better lighting in here. And if I close this part, I think I'll know that. What I'm going to do is I close this part. Guys, focus with me. This is him. If you see him, you know where I'm at. Alright? I think so. Guys, let me off. Where's that way? I'm in my closet right now. I'll open this part. Oh, the light. And this is him dangling. Hold on, Spike. He fell in my lap. That's okay if he falls. He always does. Spice, come here. He underdogged me. This man underdogged me. And if you guys have a pet just like mine, comment down below so we can meet up and see if they can be brothers. Well, honestly, he's obviously better, I guess, than all animals I always had. Well, I mostly always had fish. Because, like, my mom would never, ever let me get something like this. And this is why my dad got it, apparently. His mom, I think the sister got it for me. So, yeah. So, yeah. Like, hey. Whoa. Man. Whoa. I have a big closet, so he can get lost very fastly. Here he is, close up. Spice. You may be asking, why can't you just zoom in? That's why I don't know how to work this stuff. So, yeah, honey boo boo, yeah. And if you're wondering why I'm looking over here, it's because of this. I have this line. Apparently that melted because of chalk. And it was like a kit, and it kind of wanted to make a purpley thing. So yeah, and apparently I know what chalk and slime does. I wonder. If nobody ever told me on tutorials, I don't ever tell you what to do really. So yeah, that's why I'm going to go let it dry. So all this thickness will go with the dryness. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I wasn't going to put him on his ball. I'm like, man, I should let him out. I see his cage is over there. That's my chair that you guys see in the corner. Spice. Underdog me again. Spice, hold on. And I'm kind of hungry. Oh, gotcha. Spice goes up again. Let's see if he can do SMR. He did SMR. Good boy. Wait, let's see what he can do to the camera. Spice, you're totally messing up my whole camera. See? He's trying to eat something over there. I don't know where. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if that was using a perfect part of my camera. But I did see what he is kind of eating. You know that whole part where like to your cameras and stuff, like where somebody films for you? That part he was eating. Well, he really didn't eat it. He was more like kind of biting it. So yeah, it's gonna go a long way. So have a long way. Look like in life for you guys. So yeah, this is him again. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Bro. What? Whoever it is, I'm not letting you in. I'm doing something. Bye, guys. Say bye, Spikes. Bye, guys. All right. Come here. Bye.